Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start now, put both devices near each other and charge them above 30% to avoid interruptions. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and location. Turn on Wi-Fi if the app requests it. Open the X-Watch companion app and select Pair New Device. This initiates the only supported flow. You do this first because the watch advertises a temporary pairing code and the app must detect it. Once the app scans, it will list nearby watches. Leave the watch screen visible while you proceed. Tap the watch name in the app when it appears and compare the 6-digit code shown on both devices. You must confirm the same code to prevent accidental pairing. Grant the app permissions it requests: contacts, notifications, location, and background access, because the watch uses them for calls, alerts, and GPS. Then sit tight. The app will perform a full sync of settings, watch faces, and health data. Make sure you keep both screens on and stay within range until the progress hits 100%. Finish setup on the watch by signing into your account, setting a passcode, and selecting a watch face. This secures your device and personalizes it. Test key features. Make a call, check notifications, and open the health app to confirm sensors are reporting. If anything is missing, trigger a manual sync in the companion app. If pairing fails, try the one-key troubleshooting move. Restart both devices, forget the watch from your phone's Bluetooth list, then repeat the pairing flow from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.